The first step is to cut out 20 circles. So I'm using this old masking tape cardboard to do that. You can use an old cup, whatever, and it depends on what size you'd like. You can also use music paper, pretty colored paper. I'm using vintage dictionary pages. That's totally up to you. So you're going to go ahead and cut out your 20 circles. I'm cutting out, I would say, probably about 5 layers at a time. If you go too many layers, it starts to get a little cockeyed. While I'm doing this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe so I can keep making these tutorials every week. I appreciate that. And also, if you have any comments on your experiences making this, or different beads or different ways that you've done to jazz it up, I'd really appreciate that. Once you have all 20 of your circles folded in half, you're going to be doing the next step in 2 different glue rotations. So the first glue rotation you're going to do is you're just going to be gluing them down the middle. So you're not attaching them to each other yet, you're just gluing each one down the middle. Now, once you have that done, you're going to go for your second glue rotation. This time, to get this beautiful honeycomb, you're going to do the top third and the bottom third, and then stick the next one on. So now you're going to be stacking them up. So top third, bottom third. Now to help, once you have the stack of 20, just to help it dry, I like to use these craft clips and to hold that into place. Now the next step, while that's drying, is we're going to put either some yarn or some nice rope, something to hang our ornament. So I'm going to go ahead and put a lot of glue right here. This will kind of bind all this together nicely. Being very generous with the glue here. Going ahead. Lots of glue over it as well, just to really hold it into place. once again to help that dry. Another one of my craft clips. And then I'm just gonna let it everything dry, and then at the end I'll show you how we form it, and you can also add some finishing touches of some beads if you'd like. So once you've let this dry for at least a half hour, go ahead and you can remove your craft clips. If you don't have craft clips, you could also use clothespins or just hold it. And then when you stretch it, and it might just take some wiggling around, you can see this beautiful honeycomb design that's going to come. And then what you're going to do is you're going to have to glue the two ends together to finish making that. So to finish the design, I'm going to do one stripe here and one stripe there. Just going to finish the honeycomb. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold that together with the craft clips again until that dries, and then you will have completed this Christmas ornament. Now you can also, if you want, you can add a bead on the top, but that's totally up to you. I think it just adds like a little bit, makes it a little bit more festive. So there you have it.